Hello, welcome to Love Story Technology. My name is Atish. Today we are going to see how to enroll Windows device in Microsoft Intune. So let's start with Microsoft Intune dashboard. So we just need to move to the Intune admin center. You can simply just type intune.microsoft.com, then enter your global admin or administrator credential, that is username, password, authenticate via MFA, then your account will be successfully logged in. So I already entered, so it's directly redirect to the portal. So you can see these steps here. You need to follow the prerequisite. There is a two prerequisite, like ensure you have an Intune license and have configured the basic policy. Second one is device should be running on Windows 10 or 11. Below the anti-10 and 11 Intune does not support. So you must have to Windows 10 and 11 operating system running on your endpoint, that is your laptop or might be the desktops. So first, and here is this right hand side, you can see the steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4. Step 1, need to sign in, which we already completed. Go to the Microsoft Endpoint Admin Manager Center, sign in admin account. So it's already done. Second one is configure enroll setting. So you need to follow these all process. Third process is set up a device enrollment and complete the enrollment. So let's move to the admin center, locate the devices, then Windows. Here you can see, then Windows enrollment. You can see the enrollment. Then you must have to locate deployment profile. Here it is inside the Windows Autopilot. Deployment profiles. Click. Then you have to configure the profile. Windows PC. We are creating the test. So I mentioned the test and enter the today date just for the hint test. Convert all the target devices to autopilot. Yes. Next, deployment type user or self-deploying. You can choose as per your requirement. User driven, that means user using the his credential, he can able to enroll his device into Intune while they are logged into their laptops and desktop. Just need to use their own credential, else self deployment. So we push as a user driven. Join to the Microsoft Intra. Join to Microsoft Intra. You can specify anyone, like if you are running into the hybrid environment, like you have a on-premises Active Directory, then that sync with the Azure Active Directory using Azure Active Directory Connect or Intra Connect. Now it's naming with the Microsoft Intra Connect. So that on-premises Active Directory account sync with the Azure AD, and that's called the Microsoft Intra Hybrid Joint. Or if you don't have any on-premises Active Directory, then you can directly choose the Microsoft intra-joint, Microsoft software terms. If you wish to show to the user while enrolling into their systems, laptop and desktop, you can just need to show. We don't wish to show, so hide, privacy setting, hide, change account option. I don't view the any change account option, so I hide. User account type administrator or standard, so we deploy as a standard. We don't wish to put any administrator account to the endpoints, so as usual I put the standard account. Allow the pre-provision deployment, yes. This pre-provision deployment you can read carefully. Enable presenting Windows key 5 times to run OBE without user authentication enrolling the device, and provision all the system context apps and settings. User context app and setting will be delivered when users sign in. Whenever users sign in to their laptop using their credential, is starting the device enrollment. So yes, then language, regional language. So I select the operating system default, apply device name template. If you have any template, you can click yes, but now I don't have any template, so I click on next, no, then move to the next. Add a group where you wish to apply the member, like if you have any specific group where you wish to apply this Intune manage or Intune enrollment setting for that group devices only, you can include that group. Just need to add the group and select your group if you have any. I don't have any group, so I prefer the all add all devices. All organization devices need to be enrolled into Intune. So I just click on add all devices. It's selected. Move to the next. Create. So profile is created. Our first step, second step is completed. Now we move to the third step. Here we require the end user desktop or laptop to enroll the end user laptop or desktop into the Intune. In first step, we log into Intune. In second step, we created the deployment profile and enable the automatic enrolled. You can see we created this autopilot deployment profile. Then enrollment, automatic enrollment, and you just need to click all and save. So auto enrollment is on, and as you know that we configured this profile as well. Deployment profile is created. So now we move to the third step. This one, log into our end user laptop or desktop. So I've taken one user remote to configure his device through Intune. So this is remote. Then I just power on the device, accept, I try to add into the two tabs so it is easy to see these steps. You are performing this step. Settings, accounts, this settings, then accounts, access work and school. Here we need to locate our access work and school account. Here it is, access work or school. Enroll only in device management. Click, enter your ID and password, credential of your end user, or if you specify any particular email ID for enrollment, you can enter the credential here. You can see we have successfully add this device into Intune device management. Got it. You can see that connected with my account. Now you can see our device is successfully enrolled into Intune, managed by Intune. Now device start receiving the policy from your Intune. You can manage the device from your Intune. You can deploy any package of anything from this Intune portal. So thanks for watching the video. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe my channel for more upcoming tech video. And if you have any doubt in configuration and set up the Intune, you can simply just comment below the video section, and I will revert you on your comment with the solution and some workaround. Thanks for watching.